Hi everyone, hope you're all doing good. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ratna. Happy Valentine's Day. This Valentine's Day we are also celebrating 25th anniversary of Titanic. So on this occasion, let's make a dessert, Waldorf pudding, from the last dinner on Titanic. So first we will take a couple of tart apples. I'm taking Granny Smith. We need to peel this and cut it into small pieces. To this we'll add 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger, and finally 1/4 cup raisins. We will mix this well and keep it aside. Now to a skillet we will add a tablespoon butter. Once the butter is completely melted, we can transfer everything from the bowl to the skillet. To this we'll add 2 tablespoons sugar and cook until all the apples turn brown. Once done, we can transfer it to 6 ramekins and keep it aside. Now we will beat 4 eggs and keep it aside as well. After that, to a saucepan we will add 2 cups milk and boil. We will pour a cup of hot milk into the eggs, stir it well, and then pour everything back into the saucepan. After mixing it again, we will add 1/3 cup sugar, a pinch of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. We will cook them until all the sugar dissolves, and then we will pour it on top of the apples in the ramekins. Now we can take a baking pan and fill it half with water, and then place these ramekins inside it, and then bake at 325 Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes until the custard is set and a little jiggly. Once done, we can garnish it with toasted and chopped walnuts and serve chilled. Waldorf pudding is ready. Please do make it when you get time. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Also thank you for liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. For channel notifications, press the bell icon. See you next time. Until then, take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay positive. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.